If you're experiencing login issues with Columbia Banking System, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from accessing the banking system. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use sRoute to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you're using a web browser, clear the cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that may be causing login issues. Step 4. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Columbia Banking System's customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot further and resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.